Oh, oh. Now the bracket is broken, and this is what happens if you don't set your torque correctly. Look, I have it all the way up to drill mode right here, and it just broke the clip. So I'm going to teach you how to fix this. It's pretty simple. This is not like your regular wall box. All you do is head down to the hardware store and get a new box. You don't need to get the same one, okay? This is just a clip. So you only need to rob one of the clips off here. It costs about a couple of bucks. This one, it cost me $1. That's it. So you can get one of these clips. You push them out, and this is your spare clip. It's using a test pen just to yoink this one right out. Like that. There you go. That comes out. And don't drop it in the hole. That's the broken one, and it should fit right there. And clip it into place and pull it toward the front. There you go. Now don't be a noob and set your tension, your torque correctly, and then reinstall your stuff. And there you go. Don't need to call an electrician. Really easy to install. If you like that tip, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.